friends, a very warm welcome to you all on the day 14 of the 28 days abundance mindset challenge. Today we all will be focusing on a tool that can help us achieve all the activities, all the to-dos that we want to do today itself. So many times we have experienced it that on the day early in the morning we decide that we want to do A, B, C, D, E, but by the time we reach afternoon we haven't even started A. By the time we reach evening we might have completed A, but B, C, D, E are no longer achieved. Why does this happen to ourselves? Why is it that something what is it that is something which is holding us back from completing our own task? Then we will pinpoint on some other person that this guy came to me, he took away my time, this guy came with so and so problem, I got engrossed in that problem, so on and so forth. But this is something which should not hamper our own progress. And it is in our hand how and where and how we can uh, we can hamper our own progress. So I am sure none of you want to hamper his or her progress, and so this video is for us so that we can ensure that we focus on what we want to achieve and we achieve it. So today, when you get up in the morning, the activity which I want will be sharing with you all is to be done, and it has to be done throughout the day. First thing is to create a plan and a detailed to-do list that you have to achieve today. Create a proper checklist. This is your abundance checklist for that day. Imagine and visualize in the morning. Once you are done with your writing your to-do list, visualize that your day is going smoothly, everything is getting as desired. Your first activity, second activity, third activity, fourth activity, fifth activity got accomplished as desired, and you're so happy, and you feel that happiness from within on the completion of the activity 1, on the completion of the activity 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on in your visualization. As you visualize that each and every activity is getting completed, you should feel happy and you should feel blessed that yes, you have been able to complete that activity. With each and at each activity getting executed in a timely manner in your visualization, say out these three magical words: thank you, thank you, thank you. And for you should also, if possible, write, say the reason: thank you, thank you, thank you for getting this activity accomplished, because of which I will be able to do so and so and so, or I will be getting so and so and so. Ensure that you give your deepest gratitude to the universe, to the people, to the colleagues, whoever around you who have helped you in achieving that. And also ensure that you have a perfect why as to how that will change your life, how that will make your day. And also in your visualization, you have to visualize that the day is about to get over, you are about to go to sleep, and before going to sleep, you are giving your deepest gratitude to the universe, to the people, to the Almighty, and everybody around you. That thank you that I have been able to achieve this, this 5 activities which I wanted to do. Say it like this: thank you, thank you, thank you for this activity getting completed, for this planned activity getting executed today, for thank you, thank you for this activity getting completed today. So you will in total be saying 3 times the number of activities which you have in your list. You will be saying, if you have 10 items in your list, you will be saying thank you, thank you, thank you 30 times. No, not 3 times thank you. You will be saying thank you 30 times, 3 thank yous for each of the desired list. Once that visualization is done, carry that abundance checklist with you throughout the day and do keep referring to it day in and day out. Whenever you have some time, just go and open your checklist. Whatever is the to-do list there, if you can imagine, if you can think of something to do so that that activity can be achieved, and you have a free time, go ahead and do it. And you will be amazed once you follow this in your life on that day. You will be amazed by the outcome. You will see that each and every activity which is there in your checklist are getting completed one by one, and everything is getting fallen in line properly. And my friends, trust me, there is only three things which you have to do. One, visualize. Second, have belief and faith in this, that yes, you have done it and you will be able to do it. And third, have trust and faith on this activity. So with this, my friends, I come to the end of this day 14. Just to summarize what you have to do today. First, you have to count your blessings. Second, in the morning, make your to-do checklist. Make your to-do list, what you have to achieve during the day. Visualize yourself achieving those activities one by one throughout the day. Give lots of gratitude from the bottom of your heart. And my friends, mean it when you are giving your gratitude. Carry that to-do list with you throughout the day and refer to it as many times as possible. And whenever any particular time during the day you have some particular time in between, do allocate that time to achieve those activities. And lastly, you have to do the rock exercise in the night for giving your gratitude for the best thing that happened to you throughout during the day. So this, I come to the end of the day 14. I am taking a sign off right now. Goodbye. Take care. God bless. Thank you.